Hi guys, welcome. Today I will be testing Milk makeup. So let's get started. All I know about Milk makeup is that it's a favorite of Hailey Bieber and it's a bougie brand and we love here bougie brand. So this is a little set I've got from Space NK and it has a little mascara, a bronzer and a blush, and I thought today we'll put these bad boys on test and see how nice they are. I must say this is the first time ever of me using or testing anything from Milk makeup, so I'm very excited. Let's see how these bad boys look. I'm in love with the packaging. Look at them. Look at it, such a tiny mascara. I think it's travel size one, and then here we have, I think it's a bronzer and a lip and cheek thing. And I think a highlight. So let's try them. I'm gonna start up with the bronzer because my face is really bare and I need some color. I'm looking just like a ghost. So let's solve this quickly. This is the bronzer and this is in the shade Blaze. Oh wow, the smell is really interesting. It smells like Play-Doh. I mean, not something you'd like to put on your face, but anyway, we trust the process, so let's do it. There's not a lot of product, it's only 5 grams, but I believe it's travel size, so I think that's fine. Oh, I hope it's my shade. It looks a little bit dark. Okay, I quite like it. It's very creamy formula. It blends really easily, like actually I'm impressed. I really like this bronzer. It really gave me a nice tan to look and my face looks so like nice and glowy, sort of like subtle. It looks very nice on the skin and it was very easy to apply. I love the formula. I think this little guy gets a big thumbs up from me. So let's move on into the blush. This is 2-in-1, like a blush and a little lippy thing, and I love these things because they save so much space usually in your makeup bag. Really love the color. It's very vibrant. Oh my, it's very creamy and I love the shade. It has like a nice matte finish on my nose as well because I love a sun-kissed look. Okay, this blends up quite easy. I like it. Has a very sheer sort of glow. Yeah, it has a sheer pigment and a natural finish. It's a little bit smaller than expected, but it is what it is. To be honest, I think it's a little bit pricey for what it is. I've got my whole set for like 18 quid and I think that was a really good deal, so I could test all of them. Obviously, I'm gonna test it on the lips as well because I want to see how it's like. I have on my lips a little lip sort of treatment from Too Faced, which is like a little balm. I must say, if you want to apply on your lips, that's quite tricky with this applicator, like, if you know what I mean. And I have a cat hair on my lips. I'm wondering why. I think that's a very nice pinky color, but to be honest, I'd rather it on my cheeks than on my lips because that's a little bit brighter than I usually go for. But even on the lips it feels really nice. It's not very sticky and has a creamy formula, and yeah, it's quite nice, but I think I'd rather use it as a blush. This is the highlighter and it's in the shade Flush. I think it's a little bit dark. I'm not sure how it's going to be on my face, but we shall see. Okay, this is definitely darker than my shade. Like, I started to put it on my face and look at this awful patch. Like, what on earth is this? I think we'll skip the highlighter because I'm gonna ruin my whole face and that's not what I want. I'm just gonna give you a little swatch on my hand because why not? Like, it's actually quite dark for my face. Like, I think this could be a bronzer, but more like a shimmery bronze. So the last but not least, I have this Milk Rise mascara. This one has a little bristly brush, which I quite like. I think these ones are better than the plasticky spiky ones because I tend to poke my eyes so bad with those ones, and it's a little bit bendy. Okay, to be honest, it looks quite dry. I don't see how this is gonna work on my eyelashes. Like, I have the impression that this has been there like for ages, if I'm being honest. Okay, I think made my eyelashes quite fluffy. There's no clumps whatsoever, but I feel like the formula is a little bit off because it's very dry. Kinda of a natural sort of look, which I like, but I don't think I'm gonna reach to this mascara anytime soon. Okay, so this is my finished look. What do I think about Milk makeup? I think the blush is really good. I liked it both on my cheeks and my lips. Everything else was just, I mean, alright, but to be honest, considering how bloody pricey they are, I don't think I would repurchase them. Very sad I couldn't use the highlighter because it turns out I used only 3 products, which obviously I cannot really make an opinion based on 3 products from a brand. Funny enough, I think I ended up with 2 bronzers, like 1 matte and 1 shimmer, but you know what? I'm not mad about that. I'm gonna use it, both of them, and different times for different looks. So yay for 2 bronzers. Very sad no highlighter, but that's what it is. I'm curious if you've tried Milk makeup and did it work for you better? Did you like it more than me? Do let me know. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, to subscribe for more, and see you next time. Mwah. Bye!